Cruise lines have done an amazing job at convincing people they need a balcony. Problem is, I'm one of them. And after staying on both of these cabins on NCL Luna, I found myself agreeing with Kat, at least at first. This is the interior cabin on Norwegian Luna. And this is where Kat starts getting in my head. Because standing in this room, I kept asking myself one question. What exactly am I missing? The bed's here, the storage is here, the bathroom is here. Everything I actually need is here. And that's a dangerous realization when you've spent years paying extra for balconies. Here's the dirty little secret nobody tells you, and Kat has been trying to beat it into my head for years. Most cruisers spend almost no time in their cabin. You're eating, you're drinking, you're watching shows, hanging out by the pool, exploring ports. You're on $1 billion cruise ship. Why are you sitting in your room? At the end of the day, this cabin has one job. Give you a place to sleep, shower, and recharge before doing it all again tomorrow. And honestly, it does it really well. By the time I walked out of this cabin, I was already doing the math. And that's bad news for Team Balcony. Then I walked into the balcony cabin. And suddenly I remembered exactly why I keep losing this argument. Here's the funny part. The room itself, it isn't dramatically different. The bed isn't dramatically different. The bathroom isn't different. The storage, not different. You're not paying for a completely different room. You're paying for the view, the fresh air, the natural light. That first cup of coffee in the morning, watching the ship pull into port, watching the ocean roll by with absolutely nowhere you need to be. This is the moment where Kat rolls her eyes, because she sees extra money. I see it as part of the cruise experience. And that's the problem. She's making a completely logical argument. I just don't want to hear. So after staying on both cabins on Norwegian Luna, I get it. I understand why so many experienced cruisers book interior cabins. The value is hard to argue with. The worst part? Kat's right. I just don't want her to be. Because if you're looking for the smartest financial decision, the interior cabin usually wins. But if you're asking what I'm booking, I'm still booking the balcony. Let us know in the comments. Are you Team Interior or Team Balcony? And be honest, how many were rooting for Kat from the very beginning?